learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. And today it's time for Leo to cook again. 今天又要当厨师了，好不好？
好啊。김빈이今天要教大家朴菜眼这道菜。
朴菜眼 I know 朴菜 that's 福菜嘛，对不对？Leaf mustard. 但眼是什么？
就是把它做成丸子。
Oh, like a meatball. A leaf mustard meatball. Okay, I want to know how to cook this dish up now.
其实材料很简单，就是我们把那个膏牛、猪脚肉，然后加朴菜在里面，然后再加一些调味啊，盐巴不要太多，因为朴菜当咸。
对，朴菜本来就咸咸的，
对，它很咸，所以不能加太多。然后把它蒸过之后呢，我们这时候就要加一个很漂亮的青菜，叫做跳港趴。
跳港趴，这是我第一次听到的一个菜。But let me explain. Okay, right now we're making some meatballs that's based on leaf mustard. So you get some ground pork, grind it up a little bit, put some salt in it, soy sauce, just a little bit, because pak choy or leaf mustard is already salty. So you don't want to make it over salty. And then, of course, make it into balls. And then这是要用蒸的吧？我想。
对，蒸过蒸熟。
旁边你说放什么东西？再讲一次。
跳港趴。
跳港趴是什么？
就是青江菜。
哦，青江菜。哦 ，OK， 所以有更多绿在那边了，对不对？
对，这样看起来就很漂亮。
Okay, so aside from the meatballs, you also cook up some what's called bok choy, 就是 Chinese cabbage。
不是朴菜哦，是跳港趴。
我知道不是 bok choy，bok choy 是福菜嘛？我讲的是 bok choy。
你讲朴菜吗？
我讲英文。
你讲英文？
对。
那怎么讲？
青江菜
一模一样。
青江菜在国外，香港人很喜欢用青江菜。他们当然有两种讲法，一个是 Chinese cabbage， 有另外一种说法就叫 bok choy。今天教你一个中文变英文的单词。
我学到了。
但听起来的确很像福菜哈。
对。
Okay, don't confuse the bok choy, which is the Chinese cabbage, or 青江菜 with the Hakka 福菜, which is the leaf mustard, and that's pronounced bok choy, and this is bok choy. So there you go. This dish sounds very tasty, easy to make. You know, you can make your own meatballs with some veggies, some greens around it. It sounds very healthy at the same time. And you can enjoy it at home. Just steam it for a little while, and you have yourself a Hakka dish. 没想到这样子这么简单就可以做出一道客家菜了。
是啊。
Let's review these terms, all right? 福菜
朴菜
bok choy, and then some ground pork 绞肉
膏牛
and then you put some 青江菜 or bok choy or Chinese cabbage around it.
跳港趴
and it's all about the 福菜丸
朴菜眼
pak choy yan, and that's the leaf mustard meatballs. Enjoy this dish, and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
按子say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.